Hello, today I'm excited to show you how to do a facial massage with a Kansa wand. So the Kansa wand is, Kansa's the type of bronze on the tip, and then it's got a nice wooden handle. So they come in different sizes. So this is a facial size. It can also be used on other parts of the body, but today we're going to focus on how to use it to massage your face. So the benefits of facial massage are that it helps to firm and tone the muscles under your skin, and also helps with lymphatic drainage. So I will show you how to do both of those things. I'm going to pull my hair back. We're gonna go right up to the hairline, and I just like to keep the hair out of my face while I'm doing the massage. So before you start the massage, you're gonna need a high quality facial oil. So I'm going to use Yavari Amplified Youth Spring from the Ayurvedic Experience. This oil is great for helping to firm and tone the appearance of the skin. It has black gram in it. So black gram is a lentil. It's a vegan protein source. And as your skin absorbs that protein, that can help to, again, firm and tone the appearance of your skin. Now I want to get this oil all the way down my neck and onto my décolleté as well. Notice how I'm going downward on the neck. I know a lot of us have been taught to go upward when we're working with the neck, but again, for that lymphatic drainage that we really want, we want to draw that down. So we've got lymph nodes on either side of the neck, and we want to work on drawing that down towards the heart so that it can then get flushed out through circulation. So I'm not going to talk while I'm doing the massage. What I'm going to do is set a 5-minute timer on my watch. So ideally, you want to massage your face for 5 minutes every day. You can do it in the morning or you can do it at night. That part doesn't really matter. What matters is that you can do it consistently. So wherever it fits your schedule best is the ideal time to do it. So again, I've got that fresh oil on my face, and I'm also just going to take, this is also Light Lift from the Ayurvedic Experience. And I am going to take this and just roll it. Excuse me while I look into the screen so I can see what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to roll that on so that I have a little bit of oil around the eye area as well, and then just kind of tap it in with my ring finger. All right, so I'm all oiled up. I'm ready for the massage. Now I'm not going to talk while I'm doing the massage. I am going to set a timer on my watch for 5 minutes so that we get the ideal time. Now that might mean I do my whole face, I do my neck, and I still have time left. Then I'm going to come back to some areas of concern and spend a little bit more time in those areas. Now that will look different for everybody, and also this is just a guideline. There's lots of different ways you can massage your face, so you don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. This is a tool to get you started with it, give you the confidence you need to do this yourself. But again, it's not an end all be all. So again, just use it as a guideline. So I'm all oiled up. I'm going to start that 5-minute timer. I know I said I wasn't going to talk, but I like to start at the eye area because the eyes are an area with a lot of heat in them. Eyes are a pitta organ, so lots of fire energy in the eyes. And so I like to start at the eyes while the metal of the wand is still cool, because it will warm up as you're going across your face. I'm going to try not to talk, and I'll do a voiceover at the end if I think it's necessary. Okay, so now I'm starting at little circles at the third eye, where we get those 11 lines, and then just tracing my brow. And each time I trace my brow, I go up a little bit higher, and I want to go all the way up to the hairline. And so I'm just going brow to temple. I do one side, and then match it on the other side. I'm going to massage the temple and then go up and down across the forehead. Just like I'm ironing out those worry lines that show up in our foreheads. going to trace under the eye now and up the cheekbone. And just, again, go right up to the temple. Other side, same thing. And I'm going to go around the mouth area. I'm going to kind of pull my top lip over my teeth to tighten up that skin as I move the wand around it. I'm going to go the opposite direction now. That same thing. Just checking how much time I have left. And working up the jawbone. And you'll see I'm moving the skin a bit more here. I am digging a little bit deeper because this is such a big area of tension for so many of us. So I really want to work on relaxing the jaw. So most of it, I'm doing just a very, very gentle pressure, but here I dig in a little deeper. And now I'm going to start moving downward on the neck for that lymphatic drainage. Right, now I'm going to start over on the right side under my collarbone and just make little circles, but starting to move the wand towards the left side. And this is, again, part of that draining of the lymph. So I've brought the lymph down from the lymph nodes in the neck, and now I want to move them from right to left, so towards the heart, so that that lymph can be removed, flushed out through circulation. Okay, I've got a full minute left, so now I'm going to go back and revisit my areas of concern. So I'm going to go up to the area where the crow's feet are and the temple and just massage that temple a little bit, because that's also a very, very relaxing feeling to massage the temple. Revisiting my 11s and my worry lines. So the third eye and the forehead. And that's 5 minutes. I hope that helps you. I hope that gives you the confidence you need to start using your Kansa wand. And if you liked this video, please like and subscribe, because I plan on putting a whole bunch more out here. This is my very first one, so I know they're gonna get better. I couldn't find my external mic, which I wanted to use for this, so the audio quality can also get better and will get better. And I'll probably re-record this video after I've done a few more and gotten more comfortable on screen, but regardless, I wanted to get this out as quickly as possible because I get asked for this all the time. So I really hope this helps. And again, start using that Kansa wand. Consistency is key. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.